Simple today, a sweet kale from Costco. So simple, open all the packages, put it together, but we're gonna taste it. That's what we want to do. Let's taste it, right? So they give you all these ingredients in there, all right? Add them all on in there. Cranberries, everything you have. And if you want to add your own stuff, which I recommend you should. This one doesn't have almonds. It does now. Cut this thing out. Add it all over the place. So I do have a lot of kale for just a little bit of sauce. Let's taste it. It's actually pretty good. Let's get rid of the big pieces. Oh, it's good. It's not bad. From Costco. Oh, really good. Put this in the fridge. It's ready to go. Look at that. Rice, meats, vegetables. Can't beat this.